This is Faye Jones, and you're listening to the Becoming Her podcast, where resilient, unstoppable, godly women learn to live with clarity, courage, and peace. Today, we're going to talk about how to reduce motherhood stress without losing your peace or your purpose. If your days feel packed, your mind feels loud, and your joy feels thin, this is for you. Let's get honest. Many of us were shaped by hustle culture, the belief that constant activity proves your worth. It whispers that rest is laziness and a full calendar is a badge of honor. At work, school schedules, church activities, and a phone that never stops buzzing, and your body starts carrying what psychologists call allostatic load. That's the wear and tear your mind and body experience under ongoing stress. Left unchecked, it becomes anxiety, exhaustion, and short tempers with the people you love. God has a better way. Scripture says, God is not a God of disorder, but of peace. 1 Corinthians 14:33 NLT. Jesus modeled this when he often withdrew to quiet places to pray. Luke 5:16 NLT. He invites the weary with, "Come to me, and I will give you rest." Matthew 11:28-30 NLT. Rest isn't a luxury, it's spiritual alignment. When the pressure nearly broke me, here's what changed my life. First, I cleared my calendar. I told the truth to the people I served, the clients I worked with, and my church leaders. I'm burned out, and I need to step back so I can be healthy for my family and faithful to God. Most honored it. A few didn't, and that revealed a lot. Every need is not your assignment. Your assignment is the work God actually gave you, not what guilt hands you. Second, I reprioritized my life. Order reduces mental clutter and protects your peace. I asked God, what matters in this season for my home, my marriage, my children, my health, my work, and my service? If it didn't align with those non-negotiables, it came off my plate. Serving inside a church building is good, but intimacy with God is essential. Proverbs 14:1 says, "A wise woman builds her home. Building is stewardship, not busyness." Third, I asked for help and I received it. Pride resists help, but wisdom embraces it. Help looked like a sitter so I could sleep, trading childcare with a friend, using a meal service during a heavy week, or hiring a house cleaner when the house felt like a weight. Healthy homes require healthy mothers. As you practice these 3 shifts, guard daily quiet with God, even if it's just 10 minutes. Then protect weekly margin space with no appointments, no errands, no multitasking. That margin is where you breathe, recharge, and hear God clearly. If you're feeling nervous to change, start small. Say no once this week. Delete one recurring commitment that no longer fits your season. Ask for 1 hour of help and use it to rest instead of run errands. Small obedience creates big freedom. Here's your reminder. You are not called to perform your way to worth. You are called to walk with God, build wisely, and carry only what He assigns. When you clear your calendar, set godly order, and ask for help, you protect your peace, your presence, and your leadership at home. You won't be perfect, but you will be present, and present is powerful. Take a deep breath. God's not asking you to be everything. He's asking you to be faithful, and that's more than enough. Before you go, if this episode encouraged you, subscribe to the Becoming Her podcast on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or Amazon Music, and please take a moment to leave a review. Your feedback helps more women find the tools and truth they need to live anchored in faith and built in fire.